Fiverr sellers, order delays can hurt your reputation and lose you buyers. But what if you could avoid them completely? In this video, I'll show you 3 simple steps to prevent late deliveries and keep your clients happy. First, always set realistic deadlines. Under-promise and over-deliver. Add extra time for revisions or unexpected issues. Second, communicate early if you see a delay coming. Message the buyer immediately and offer solutions. Third, use Fiverr's extend delivery feature if needed. It is better than missing the deadline. Stay organized with a calendar or project tracker to manage multiple orders smoothly. In conclusion, once you plan ahead and keep buyers updated, you will avoid delays, earn better reviews, and grow your Fiverr business. Hit like if this helped and subscribe for more Fiverr tips. Thanks for watching.